friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video we are going to review a new cheese slice in the market, which is the Mother Dairy cheese slices. So this is the first time I'm going to try the Mother Dairy cheese slices. I have been eating Govardhan cheese for quite some time now, and I have tried the Britannia cheese, but I prefer the Govardhan first taste. So today I'm going to try this new cheese out, which is the Mother Dairy cheese slice. So we are going to review and do a taste test of the Mother Dairy cheese slice and see how good is this cheese. So let's get down to the review of the product. So first up, we can see it comes in blue color packaging, blue color plastic pouch here, and it has the Mother Dairy branding right on top. Then the name of the product, which is cheese slices. Then here is an illustration of the cheese shown here, and then there is a tagline here: add some magic with our slices. There's a tagline of add some magic with the slices. This is 10 slice pack. It has 10 cheese slices. It's a 100% vegetarian product. So you can see the vegetarian mark right here. This product is marketed by Mother Dairy Fruit and Vegetables Private Limited. That's what is mentioned here. They have mentioned the ingredients here that this is processed cheese slice made from water, milk solid cheese, emulsifiers, iodized salt, acidity regulators and preservatives, and contains permitted natural colors. So yeah, that's why it looks so yellow. There are natural colors used in this to give it that yellow color. This is a 200 gram pack, and the MRP for Mother Dairy cheese slices 200 gram pack is rupees 130. So you get 10 slices in it, 20 grams each. You have 10 slices in it, so it comes out to 13 rupees a slice. And the packaging, the shelf life of the product is best before 9 months from packaging. So it has a 9-month shelf life, which is pretty good. So let's go ahead and unwrap it and see how does the cheese look actually. So from the packaging we can actually get a hint of the cheese. We can see the cheese how it looks here. But we'll just open it up so that we can have a closer look at it. So guys, here is the cheese from Mother Dairy, and from the looks of it, it looks quite yellow compared to Britannia or Govardhan. So I guess it is more permitted colors which are used, which is giving it a yellow color, or is it the more cheesy taste that it has. So here we go. It comes individually packed in this plastic wrapper like any other cheese slice. And so here is a cheese slice from Mother Dairy, and so you can see the color. It is very dark yellow color for the cheese, like cheddar cheese color. It has a dark yellow cheddar cheese color. But like I mentioned that there are permitted colors used here, so I guess there are colors used due to which it has got this dark yellow color. But let's go ahead and do a taste test. I'm going to compare it with the Govardhan cheese. So because I have been eating the Govardhan cheese, I'm going to taste it and see if I like it compared to the Govardhan cheese. So here we go. I just rolled it up, and here is the taste test for the Mother Dairy cheese slices. It's more on the saltier side, very salty. You are hardly getting any cheese flavor, it's just salt, just a salty taste that I'm getting of it. Very little cheesy flavor to it, like I don't know, I'm having it plain right now. Very salty, I can't have it anymore. Very salty in taste. I didn't like it at all. Govardhan cheese is 100 times better than this cheese right now. So yeah, it looks good, but taste wise it's a 0. There's no taste in it, just salt. It is just damn salty. So there's no flavor of cheese. I can just feel the flavor of salt in it. There's no cheesy flavor to it, nothing. So I would just rate it a 0 right now, because I didn't like it at all. Plus the price, it's not like the price is less. The price is competitively placed at 130. And the quality, I didn't like the quality of the product at all. Like there was no cheese taste in it. It just has permitted colors added to it to make it look like a cheese, yellowish in color, but there's no cheesy taste in it. Like there's absolutely no taste apart from salt in it. So yes guys, this was my review on the Mother Dairy cheese slices. It's not worth the price. There are far better cheese available in the market, so I would urge you all to buy them. If you all still want to buy the Mother Dairy cheese, the link to the product is in my description below. You can go ahead and buy it from there. But this is a cheese which I'm not recommending, because there are far better cheese slices available in the market which taste 100 times better than this cheese. So guys, this was my personal opinion and my personal taste. You all might have a different taste, you all might have different preferences, but as per my preference, I didn't like the cheese. I prefer the Govardhan cheese. I've tried the Britannia cheese, that was also far better than the Mother Dairy cheese, but Govardhan still lies as the number one taste for me. I've tried Amul cheese, still I find Govardhan to be better. So yeah, but Mother Dairy can't come in any list. It is not competitive to any of the cheeses available. I feel it's really poor quality and really poor taste. That is again, it's a disclaimer I'm putting up, that is as per my preferences, as per my individual taste. I didn't like it. Each individual will have different taste buds. They will have different preferences, right? But as per my preference, I would rate it a 0. Guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.